Hi, my name is Sadie Anderson, and I'm the Vice President of Marketing and Design at CKF in Omaha, Nebraska. We have been using MeasureSquare for about a year and a half. Before, our commercial team really had no way to know how many slabs they were going to need for a job. It was a very manual process to try to find out what our slab utilization was. And so we took what was sometimes a days-long process, trying to nest things in AutoCAD, down to literally a couple clicks of a button, and our slab utilization is done in seconds now. Our team has saved so much time, so they don't have to focus so much on trying to figure out how many slabs they're going to need for a job, so we can really do more business. We can prepare more estimates for our clients. We can take better care of them now that we have more time to dedicate to their projects. So it's been a huge game changer for our team. Of course, with any new software that we onboard our employees with, there's always some hesitations. Why do we need this? I don't want to learn it. It's a new product. But then once they saw how easy it was to use, and especially the time savings, everyone's been really loving it. The MeasureSquare team is very supportive. They're always very responsive, so helpful. They'll jump on a quick call and provide any training that we need. So it's been a phenomenal company to work with.